The eufy Smart Lock C30 offers the convenience of keyless entry with its built-in Wi-Fi, allowing users to control the lock from anywhere without needing a bridge. This smart lock integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, providing multiple unlocking options including voice commands, a physical key, or the durable physical buttons. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in 15 minutes without drilling, while eufy's customer support is available around the clock to assist with any issues. The lock can be paired with a eufy doorbell for a fully integrated smart home experience, enabling smooth keyless entry through the eufy security app. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the lock offers up to 5 months of battery life and includes a low battery indicator, ensuring users are always informed. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, this smart lock features IPX3 waterproofing and operates reliably in extreme temperatures, enhancing home security with its wrong try protection feature.